Best 3 smartphones for 2023 released and unreleased. Let's face it, staying productive can be a real challenge, especially when you're constantly being pulled in a million different directions. But what if we told you that your smartphone could actually be your secret weapon for staying productive? Introducing our top picks for smartphones that will boost your productivity in 2023. With these cutting-edge devices, you'll be able to stay focused, organized, and on top of your game, no matter what life throws your way. From lightning-fast processing speeds to intuitive design features, these smartphones are designed to help you work smarter, not harder. Before we start, hit the subscribe button and let's check out our top picks for smartphones in 2023. So let's begin. First up, we have the Samsung Galaxy S23. The Samsung Galaxy S23 is the latest and greatest addition to the Samsung family. This incredible device is not just your regular smartphone, it's a superhero in disguise, ready to save the day in the most fun and interactive ways imaginable. In a meeting, suddenly an amazing idea pops into your head. The Galaxy S23's S Pen comes to your rescue. With a simple flick of your wrist, you can capture your idea in a colorful doodle or jot it down with precision. It's like a trusty sidekick, always ready to help you express your creativity and keep those brilliant thoughts from slipping away. If you're a student, with its seamless multitasking capabilities, you can split the screen and have your lecture notes open while browsing the web for research. Its advanced camera features let you take professional quality photos, turning your spontaneous road trip moments into Instagram-worthy masterpiece. But that's not all. The S23 also comes with Samsung's DeX mode, which allows you to use your Galaxy S23 like a desktop computer when connected to a monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Simply connect your phone to a monitor using a USB-C to HDMI cable, and you're good to go. You can try Bixby, which is Samsung's virtual assistant, to set reminders, make calls, send messages, and more. To activate Bixby, press and hold the Bixby button or say "Hey, Bixby." Also take advantage of One UI, which is Samsung's custom Android skin. It's designed to be easy to use with one hand and has lots of useful features. Take some time to explore One UI and see what it can do. Some specification of the Samsung Galaxy S23 are triple camera, 108 plus 64 plus 50 megapixel, RAM 8/12 RAM, operating system Android 12, storage 256 512 GB, size 6.9 inch, battery get charged up to 100% in 15 minutes. It has already been released in the 17th of February 2023. It's a smartphone that understands your needs, whether you're a creative guru, a busy student, or an adventure seeker. So are you ready to explore? Next up, we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the epitome of simplicity, innovation, and pure awesomeness. This extraordinary device is here to revolutionize the way you experience the world, making every moment an interactive and creative adventure. With the iPhone 15 Pro Max's incredible camera system, you become an instant photography maestro. Its advanced lenses and image processing capabilities capture every vivid detail, transforming your photos into stunning works of art. Snap away and let your creativity run wild as you immortalize the essence of the city in a single click. Invite your Android user friends to join a FaceTime call by creating a link. Your friends will be able to join by simply clicking on that link. Easy enough. But wait, the adventure continues. You find yourself in the great outdoors, surrounded by breathtaking landscapes and wide-open spaces. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's augmented reality capabilities come to life, transforming your surroundings into a playground of fun and discovery. With interactive apps, you can overlay virtual trails on a hiking adventure, identify constellations in the starry night sky, or even bring extinct creatures back to life in your own backyard. Explore, learn, and create memories that merge the real and virtual worlds seamlessly. Some specification of iPhone 15 Pro Max's camera: 12MP plus 12MP plus 12MP plus DOF. Display 6.7 inches, 17.01 cm. Performance: Apple A17 Bionic. RAM 12GB. Storage 256GB and battery 4400 mAh. It is coming in August 16, 2023. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is a gateway to endless possibilities. The iPhone 15 Pro Max takes you to a journey where fun, creativity, and innovation converge in the palm of your hand. Last but certainly not least, we have the Google Pixel 7. Google Pixel 7 is a revolution to your mobile experience. This smartphone has everything you could want, from a sleek and stylish design to powerful features that will help you stay connected and productive. One of the most impressive things about the Google Pixel 7 is its camera. You'll be able to take clear, sharp pictures even in low light conditions, and with features like night sight and super air zoom, you can push the boundaries of what's possible with a smartphone camera. But the Google Pixel 7 isn't just about the camera. It's also designed to be incredibly fast and responsive. This means you can run multiple apps, stream videos, and so much more without worrying about lag or slowdowns. Try the coolest feature of live translation while chatting and video calling. The best part is it works even offline. Loving it. Some specification of Google Pixel 7 are: display 6.3 inches, memory internal 128GB, 8GB RAM, 256GB, 8GB RAM, main camera dual 50MP, f1.9, 25mm wide, 2MP, f2.2, 114 ultra wide, selfie camera 10.8MP, f2.2, 21mm ultra wide, and stereo speakers. It will be released in October 6, 2022. Whether you're driving, cooking, or just don't want to type, Google Assistant makes it easy to get things done. It is designed to help you get more done in less time. With just your voice command, you can control your phone, set reminders, and get information on just about anything. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. We've uncovered the top 3 smartphones for 2023, but now it's your turn to pick a winner. Tell us in the comments which one you're most excited about and why. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay tuned for more tech updates. Until next time, happy smartphone hunting!